Hey YouTube, thanks for joining, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to part 6 of my WPL C34 build and upgrade series. Slow progress, but progress. And today I didn't really make progress in building my C34, but I want to show you some very useful upgrade parts that have been released recently for the C34. Do you know this? You know, those are the link holders, and they do not come in metal with the C34KM, what is the metal edition. This part comes in plastic, and WPL gives you 2 spares of those link holders, and that's necessary because, as you can see here, and as you have seen probably in my first video, I did already break one of those link holders, and I'm not the only one. I did already see some YouTube videos where the YouTubers or the drivers also broke this part. That's the original plastic part, and some weeks ago metal upgrade parts have been released. They are not very expensive, you get 2. I did already mount the first one here in my C34. I will show you right now, and I do unbox the second one. For the rear axle I did not mount it so far because I wanted to make a short video to show you this part. It's perfect, it fits perfectly. So I unmounted the front bumper and took the canopy off to give a better view to the metal front link holder. Here it sits, and mounting was no problem at all. Everything fits perfectly. You will not need any special screws. The original ball screws or screws with the ball ends fit perfectly. And in the back axle, you know, I use different axle housings. I still have the plastic mount, and here you can get a better view. On the left side, that's the plastic original that comes with the kit, the plastic part, and here on the right side that's the metal part. And so far I'm very happy. This is the original C34 axle housing. Maybe you've seen my video, the problems I had with them, and what I did to make them fit better, and no problem at all. They fit perfectly. Easy mount and highly recommended upgrade. Works perfectly, fits perfectly. You get 2 for a reasonable price, and this is really a highly recommended upgrade. I don't know why WPL did not give us those parts in metal with the original metal kit, and I recommend to anyone to buy those metal link holders. Otherwise, if he drives his C34 a little bit harder, probably he will one day have the same problem as I had. This link holder will break. So that's it. Recommend to buy it for everyone who has a C34 and who can afford. The price is whatever, 11, 12, 13 bucks, depending how many points or coupons you can use. And I'm highly satisfied. So, short video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Ciao. See you.